In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency using mobile money on Binance. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of the steps involved in executing these transactions safely and efficiently. To begin, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, locate the P2P section on the homepage. This section is typically found in the main menu or highlighted on the dashboard. After opening the P2P section, select mobile money as your preferred payment method. It is essential to choose your local currency to ensure accurate pricing and transactions. Take a moment to review the available sellers or buyers listed on the platform, paying close attention to their ratings and feedback. Next, decide whether you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency. This decision will guide the rest of your actions. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to trade, ensuring that you input the correct figures to avoid mistakes. Before proceeding, carefully confirm the order details displayed on the screen, as this will include information about the price and total amount. Following this, you will need to follow the payment instructions provided by the seller or buyer. It is crucial to make the payment exclusively through mobile money, as this is the agreed upon method for this transaction. If the seller requires proof of payment, be prepared to upload this documentation as part of the process. Once you have completed the payment, wait for the counterparty to confirm that they have received the funds. This confirmation is vital before you can proceed to release the cryptocurrency. After the trade is confirmed, check your wallet balance to ensure that the crypto is reflected accurately. It is important to release the cryptocurrency only after you have received the payment in full. For your records, save the transaction chat history, as this may be necessary in case of any disputes or issues that arise during the transaction. If any problems occur, report them immediately to Binance's support team. It is advisable to avoid cancelling the trade after you've made the payment, as this can lead to complications and potential disputes. Following these steps carefully will help you complete your transaction smoothly. That completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.